Hey there! Today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Facebook name to just one name. Follow along closely as we navigate through the process together. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app, the blue one, on your device and log into the Facebook account for which you want to change the name. Next, go to any app store on your device and download VPN Indonesia Indonesian IP. Once downloaded, open the VPN Indonesia and connect to an Indonesian server. After connecting to the Indonesian server, return to the Facebook app. Now, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of the Facebook app. Scroll down and select Settings Privacy, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Account Center section. Tap on Account Center to access the options within. Within the Account Center, select Profiles. Here, you'll see the list of profiles associated with your Facebook account. Tap on the profile for which you want to change the name. Now, tap on the name option to edit your name. Remove your first name, last name, and middle name if you have one. Type the name you want in first name field, leave the middle name field blank, add a space in the last name field. Once you've entered the desired name, scroll down and tap on Review Change. Review the changes you've made, then tap on Save Changes to confirm. Finally, navigate back to your Facebook profile to ensure that the name change has been applied successfully. Your Facebook name should now display as a single name without any last name. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one, and be sure to check out my other videos for even more learning opportunities. Until next time, happy learning!